Hey there, I'm Jan from Lumnio and I'm back with another Lumnio lesson. In some of our recent videos, we focused on creating work instructions manually. This time, I'll show you how to use our mobile app to create a capture. A much faster way to create work instructions. First, I'll show you how to create a capture, then we'll add some steps, and then we'll save our work to be finalized in the Lumnio web apps. So let's get started. We'll sign into the app and begin on the home screen. If you want to create some content, you need to switch to the Library tab. Here, you need to click this plus button up top, which will allow you to record a new capture. And the first step is pretty straightforward. We need to name our capture, so we can find it later. Once we do that, we can start recording. The recording interface is pretty simple. Down in the middle is the record button. This allows you to record a video of what you're doing. Next to the left is the photo button, which allows you to capture a picture. This can be done while recording video too. Above the record button are the camera controls. The first one is the zoom level. This can be useful if you're trying to capture things that are small or far away. Next to it is the exposure compensation. This can help you if the picture is too dark or too light. Speaking of light, you can turn on your flashlight by clicking the button in the top right corner. And in the top left, you can end the capture when you captured all of your steps. However, we haven't recorded any yet. If we wanted to move on to the next step, we could use the button next to the record button to split our capture into steps. This does not turn off the video recording, so you can just keep rolling and rolling. But let's try everything while creating something useful. Once again, our friend Vito is here to help us, even if his face doesn't fit in the frame. Today, we'll be making a tutorial on how to check your oil level. So, the first step is to open the door of the car. That's because we need to open the hood using the lever in the footwell. It's pretty dark in there, so we'll turn on the flashlight to see better. We'll take a picture too, so we can include it in the instructions. Let's continue with the next step and open the hood. Great job, Vito. Now let's create the next step. We'll also adjust the exposure and we'll zoom in a bit so we can show the location of the dipstick better. And let's take another picture too. In the next few steps, we'll pull out the dipstick, clean it, dip it again, and check the oil level. Let's take a picture of the dipstick and maybe zoom in a little bit to take one more. Now, let's record 2 more steps, because we need to return the dipstick where it belongs and close the hood safely. We can then finish the recording by clicking the button in the top left corner. And before we upload our recordings, let's review what we captured. You can see all of our steps here, and you can even return back to capture some more. But we're happy with what we've captured, so let's click the finish button to send our capture on its way. And that's it. Our capture is now being uploaded to the web app, where we can create work instructions out of it. But I'll save that for another video. So let's recap what we learned. We learned how to create a capture, we added some steps, and then saved our work to be finalized in the Lumnio web app. I hope you liked this Lumnio lesson, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll continue working with today's capture in the Lumnio web app. Thanks for watching.